Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and your game is stuck on the connecting screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out your Epic Games launcher. So once you're done closing it out, now you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. After that, you're going to go into local, and then here you're going to find the folder called Fortnite game. So here it is. You're going to open it up, go into saved, go into config, and then go into Windows client. And here you need to delete this game user settings.ini file. So this file stores your game settings like your graphics settings, your keybinds and all of that. So you're going to delete this file. And once you're done deleting this file, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here Epic Games. You're going to right click on it, click open file location, right click on it again here, and now click open file location again. And here what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it, click properties, and then go into compatibility. And here you need to make sure that you click on run this program as an administrator, click apply, click OK, and then run the Epic Games launcher. And now you can go ahead and play Fortnite and you'll see that your game will load correctly. You will not get that Fortnite problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.